Hi guys, it's me Ryan. Welcome back to another video. And today we got a keyboard to unbox and review, which is the Alienware AW510K. And let's use our old friend to unbox it. Let's see what we have in here. Let's get it out. Look at this guy. This is MX Cherry 16.8 million RGB. The 510K is the low profile key, which means it's 35% lower than the regular keys. And it is a full-size mechanic keyboard. Let's get it open. Let's slide it out. That's the keyboard, guys. Lunar light. So here we have it, the Alienware 510K mechanic low profile RGB keyboard. That is pretty long name, man. My first impression is super light and it's very slim too, as you guys can see. I really like the color, the lunar light with the little black on the bottom here. It's gonna be a perfect match for all the lunar light system. Let me give you guys some idea of the weight and dimension of this keyboard. So with the cable, this guy weighs a little bit over 2 pounds. And the length of the keyboard is 18.25. And the width is 6.25. And this whole keyboard is made by plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. The build quality is really good. It's not easy to bend it like those cheap plastic keyboard. This is considered really strong keyboard because I put pretty much force on it. It doesn't bend easily. And like I said earlier, the color of this lunar light with this little black touch, it's gonna be a perfect match for all the Alienware Aurora PCs that has lunar light. And the keys type for this mechanic keyboard is Cherry Max Low Profile Red. And this is my first time using the low profile keyboard with the red switch. All my previous ones are the blue switches. But this actually feels pretty good, not that bad. And here's the little clip of how it sounds like. And for the connectivity, we have two USB. So one is actually the keyboard and the other one is the USB. Because we do have a USB port behind the keyboard. So it's very convenient to put a USB receivers for your wireless stuff, or simply just put a USB charger or something like that. This is very good to have it. And on the back of the keyboard, we do have two legs, and each one of them can be adjusted with 2 levels. So it's very good for you to adjust the height. And just like most keyboard, we have the media keys on top of the functions. And also we have this pretty nice row key. This is for you to adjust the audio sound for accurate adjustment. And there's another function that you can adjust the brightness of the RGB, which is really convenient. And now let me connect this to our PC and share with you guys some more features of this Alienware 510K keyboard. So after we get it connected to our system, all we need to do is open our Alienware command center. And from there, we just need to go to FX and it will automatically detect the keyboard, which is right here. So basically it's a plug in and play. And from here, we can change all the color that we want. So by default, it's this bluish color. And if we go to edit, and then we can change all the color from here. So we can change the key individually. So let's set it to blue for this key. So E. So as you guys can see, our E is changed color. And let's change our H to a red. So you see, the H is red. So we can customize each key on this keyboard. And also they have some presets here already. The WASD, we can change this whole group to a green color. There you go. And we can set up the QWER to a purplish. Or we can set up the number roll, which is right here, to let's say orange. And there's functions, number pad, and other keys, and the logo. And if you feel like this is so much work for you, and they have something really simple and easy and incredible. So you click all keys, and they have some preset effects right here. And there's a morph. And there's a breathing. And spectrum. And the best and my favorite is this rainbow wave. Is this incredible? And we can change the speed of it. We can make it slower. Or we can make it faster. I'll stay in the middle. And also we can change the direction of the light. So by default it's from the left to the right. And we can change it from the right to the left. Or we can change it from the bottom to the top. Or we can change to top to the bottom. Man, is this incredible? Amazing. And this keyboard works for all the Alienware PCs. As long as you have the Alienware Command Center installed, this will be working. And overall guys, this is really well built keyboard with amazing RGB, a nice few low profile mechanic keys. And also we have a mouse ready to be unboxed and reviewed. And with these two combined, it's gonna be a perfect combo for your new system. And both of them are on sale now on Alienware.com and Amazon. And I'll have both links in the description below. Feel free to check them out. I'll be really thankful if you choose to use the Amazon affiliate link. And other than that, let's go to our video league giveaway. Alright guys, so to enter the giveaway, it's really simple and free. All you need to do is leave a like, subscribe the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything. And also leave the comment in my most recent video. And you might be the next winner. And now, let's see who is the winner of this video. Ding, 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 ding. Congratulations, Fake Belka! Woohoo! Alright guys, so that is pretty much everything for this video. And thank you for watching. And as always, please be safe out there. And I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.